Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. Welcome back. This video is the second cash stuffing for the month of December. We are going to be stuffing $850. We have the money right here and we're just gonna get right into it because I gotta be quick and just get it all done. So if you are new, thank you for tuning in. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, welcome back. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. All right, so y'all, it has been a struggle. All right, that's all I can say. Y'all know when I like go missing for a little bit, just know your girl is struggling. Not all the time, but it has just been crazy. I've been working night shifts, so my days are just kind of like all over the place. I've been exhausted. That's all I can say is I've been exhausted. And I've been picking up like some overtime shifts just to, you know, kind of get a jump start on paying for this debt. It's just been a whole ordeal. So baby girl is sleeping right now. For those of you who don't know, I have a little 6-month-old daughter. She just turned 6 months yesterday. So yeah, the days have just been unpredictable, but we are surviving. So we're gonna start with the wallet per usual. Actually, scripture of the day, let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth. And that is 1 John chapter 3 verse 18. I think during the holiday season, when everything is hectic, people are a little bit stressed out, this is like something good to live by. Just showing love through actions and just being godly, treating others how we want to be treated. Showing God's love through the way we treat others, especially during this season. People are going through so much, whether it's grief from, you know, the holidays aren't always happy times for everybody. So just keeping that in mind, and even not in the holiday season, but especially now, just show people grace, show people love. That's all we can do to make this world better. So we're starting with the wallet. Gas is going to be $8.50. Gas is coming down. I'm very, very excited about that. The gas around here is $2.94 today, which is crazy, but I'm happy about it. Food is getting $10. Really, I need that just to say Dunkin', because that's all I go get is Dunkin'. Date night is getting $25. I'm like strapped for time because baby girl is sleeping right now. And I got about 15 minutes to do this before I have to wake her up. Shopping is getting $20. My envelope is empty. And then we have a lot of dollars. So for a dollar savings challenge, we're going to put this to the side real quick because I'm going to do the coins, which I'm going to go not this week, but next week. So the next cash stuffing, I'm probably going to already have this cashed out. So we have $110 because I want to put this towards something so I can start fresh for the new year. And then I'm trying to decide what savings challenges I want to do for 2023. Ooh. In my my new budget binder, she has savings challenges in there. So I'm just going to decide which ones I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm still going to do my own personal one that I made. If you guys would be interested in that, let me know. Because I have like some stuff to make some more. So I might just make some more. Make what I have. And then if people buy them, then cool. Just to see how it goes. Just like a little saving challenge that you kind of can do on your own. I'll talk about it later when I stuff that envelope. But we have 110.37, and we're adding in some change. But I am going to cash this out so that we can start over from scratch and see how much coins we get for 2023. But this was like a great challenge. I'm kind of almost done filling it up with coins. So I think we did good this year. Alright, so $112.41. And that is good. And then we're going to go to our dollar savings. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. $14 that is going to go into our savings challenge, dollar savings challenge. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, $59. Like, how good is that for dollars? And I just started this, like, not too long ago, a couple months ago. So, that is good. All right. And we're going to start that one over in 2023 too. So, we'll see what that goes to. So now we are going to go to my cash envelopes. So Fun Money is going to be getting $20. I used everything out of there. Self-Care is getting $40. I did get my hair done. I got my lashes done today, so this will be, actually my waxes are paid for the next 3 months because I bought a Black Friday package, so we'll just have $40 in there. Emergency Fund is getting $10. We have $170, so we should have $180. So $100, $150, $60, $70, $75, $180. Car maintenance has $125. It's going to be getting 10, so we should have $135, $100, $120, $130, $135. Actually going to see if I can, there we go. Alright, so medical and dental has $35. We're going to be putting 5 in here, so we'll have $40. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Oh yeah, so medical dental. We ended up bringing my daughter to the hospital not too long ago because she just had a weird little episode. It kind of looked like seizure, but like she was fine. They ended up keeping her overnight just to watch her, and like it didn't happen again, but it was just like the weirdest thing. I don't know what the heck it was, but we're just praying and hoping that it doesn't happen again because we don't know what the heck happened. But we were in the hospital for one night and everything was fine. So, I don't know. That was an experience. Birthdays and gifts is getting it has $55 and it's getting 20. So, we'll have 75. So, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. Start saving already for 2023's birthdays. Hubby has 5. He's going to be getting 10. So he has 15. 10, 15. Start saving for Valentine's Day and our wedding anniversary, which are both in February. Vacation has 55 and it's getting 10. So we have 50, 60, 65. Trying to look into more stuff for Florida, like where we're going to stay and just come up with an itinerary, which also I have a nice spot in our budget binder to do that, so I'm excited. So we'll get into that in the new year. Grad school is getting $400. They gave me old hundreds, so 100, 200, 300, 400. That way I can make a payment for that in January. Textbooks is getting $5 for my next class, so we have a total of 10. Christmas. Christmas, I'll start putting money towards it in January. Simplykay has $30, and we're going to be adding 5. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35. Do some new projects for the new year. But I think I am just going to go ahead and make my savings challenges and put it on Etsy and just see what happens. So stay tuned. Make sure that you have my Etsy information down below if you're interested. I'm just going to go ahead and do it because I have to stop playing. So there's 15 in P.O. Box. We're adding 5, so we're going to have 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then giving, oh my gosh. Ugh, I'm so excited. I got a lot of stuff for the giveaway for 3,000 subscribers, so just stay tuned. I'm very excited. We have $60 in here, and I'm putting 5 in, so we're going to have 65, 50, 55, 60. Next year I do want to donate. I think I want to donate often to March of Dimes because they do a lot of stuff with preemies and stuff. So that's something that I feel very passionate about. So I definitely want to do that. So we'll talk about that next year as well and how I'm going to incorporate that into my budget. But that is that for the sinking funds. And then we're going to go to my savings challenge. And my savings challenge is getting $200. I was like, I gotta do better because I didn't put in anything the last check. So we're putting in 200. We got the old hundreds representing. So far, which I'm gonna put some more in probably the next what's it called? Next check. I get 3 checks. So for the savings challenge, August has nothing. Okay, I took that out. September has 25, so we got 25. Then 50, 75. Then 100, so 175 and 200. So we have 375? Yeah. 175, 375. So only a little bit more, and I think I'll be good to go get my breaks done. But this is the savings challenge that I was talking about offering in my Etsy shop. So it'll be this little pocket, which you honestly can use on your on its own too. That you can use this for your dollar savings challenge or whatever. Which I might use this for my dollar savings challenge for next year. I'd have to or make another one that's kind of like this but a different color. But I will make this and it'll have savings on it, and then it'll come with 12 of these. So they're just no holes, but it'll be January to December, and you can use it every year. Like, you don't have to just be confined to one year, but you can kind of do whatever savings challenge. So what I've been doing is any extra money that I have towards the month, I put in to this envelope. So anything that is left over budgeting, or if I can allocate a certain amount, or you could do like a different savings challenge and then just use these to like hold your monthly saving challenge money. So it'll be very versatile. You don't have to get stuck in like one certain challenge, or you can use this over and over again for different things. So that is what I'm going to be offering, and it'll be January through December, and it's just really cute. So I just tuck them in here, and then I have all my savings for the months in here. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hopefully I can get them up. I'll just have to make a few more, make the rest of them so I can take a picture, and then I will put the listing up for them to be offered. I do only have like a certain number of these, so I'm just going to start off with just selling what I have, and then if people are like really interested, then I'll make more. So stay tuned for that. But that is all that I have for this video. I have to go feed my baby now, and sorry if this video was like a little low energy. I'm just so tired working night shift, and like I've just been doing a lot and like getting ready for the holidays. Everything's just been like wrapping gifts, and your girl is tired. So thank you guys for staying here with me and watching this video and supporting me as always. I look forward to speaking with you all in the comments, and I hope everyone has a great holiday and a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in the third cash stuffing for December in about a week. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.